Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Dreaming of financial freedom and passive income? Imagine a life where you can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and earn money even while you sleep. But traditional jobs often leave us overwhelmed, stressed, and financially limited. The solution? Drop servicing, the ultimate path to financial independence. Introducing, Create Your Passive Income with Drop Servicing, your step-by-step guide to mastering the art of selling unique services with low competition. Hi, we've cracked the code to successful drop servicing. In this course, you'll discover how to create a reliable source of passive income, strategies to identify and sell services with minimal competition, the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world, step-by-step guidance to set up your drop servicing business.